Can-Am has introduced two new side-by-side concepts, the Defender Prerunner and Maverick R XRay. The Defender Prerunner is envisioned as a remote race support vehicle and features 6 beadlock wheels wrapped in 35-inch off-road tires. The 6-wheeled concept has a crew cab configuration, with a LinQ bed containing a spare tire carrier. It also features front and rear winches, auxiliary lights, tool and replacement part platforms, fuel jugs, shovels, and a front skid plate. Inside, the Defender Prerunner has Sparco seats with 4-point harnesses, a flat-bottom steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster, and an infotainment system. The Maverick R XRay is designed for sand dunes, with translucent backlit panels, an exoskeleton structure, 2-wheel drive, paddle tires, and an active roof spoiler.